Hi lovelies, welcome back. Now today we are going to make some biscuits. We need 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You need a quarter cup of powdered sugar, or you can use more or less. We need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and we also need a half cup of cold salted butter. I'm using salted butter. If you're not using salted butter, please add in a teaspoon of salt, please. Yes, now you crumb this up, mix it together until they look like breadcrumbs. Now you're also going to add in at least 3 tablespoons of milk, or add in some milk until your dough is a bit soft, okay, but not sticky. Now please, after kneading this nicely, cover for at least 10 minutes. It doesn't take long. Now we are going to prepare what we're going to use as our oven. We need some salt in there. You put in salt, you put in your stand there, you get your good foil and you cover it nicely. Make sure that it's tight and covered. Also, please, after covering it, let it preheat for like 20 minutes on medium heat. Now you get your sugar, powdered sugar, dust it there properly, and now we're going to roll this out. We don't want it to stick, so you need that. You roll this out, and now you're going to, after rolling it out nicely, you're going to cut shapes. Please get your cookie cutters and cut out the best shapes that you like. I prefer these ones, so these are the ones that I'm making. A bit square and rectangle. You can make stars, you can make circles, you can make any shapes that you want. Just have fun with the food that you make. Now you get your toothpick in there, try to pinch in some holes in there. Some amount of baking paper done at the moment, so I'm going to improvise. I'm going to use my foil, aluminium foil. I add in a bit of oil, spread it around nicely, and then I get some flour, also spread it nicely, and then I reduce the flour just like that. Make sure that it's everywhere, and then you add on your biscuits, cookies. Yes, you try to space them a bit so that they're not tight. So they're not close to each other. Now you're going to cook this on low heat for 25 minutes. If you're using an oven, please use 170 degrees Celsius. Yes, and cook for also 20 minutes. If you're using an oven, your biscuits are going to turn out like this. Very nice, very delicious. They're crunchy and soft at the same time. Thank you guys for supporting. God bless you. Ciao.